that's missing. Okay, this isn't even...
That's not even done.
Cookie broke. Damn it.
It's not even done.
Yeah, it is. They have to be soggy, so when you eat them, they melt in your mouth like cotton candy and pony rides. Stick this on my butt. End the video. Oh, smacking boy. Alright, I'm giving you this one. I used to be a professional pancake flipper.
And then what? You woke up from your dream?
No, I woke up from everything. How many you want?
3.
2, 3. I'm actually probably gonna make a cookie s'more. Do you want a fork?
Sure.
We're eating cookies with a fork, Santa.